Now we will move on to the next timeline. Okay. And the next timeline, which I want all of you to now know immediately, is the music timeline first. After that, I'll come to the PIP timeline and the text timeline. But first, we will go to the music timeline. So video is now done. Now imagine that you have already taken care of the video and you know exactly where to cut, where to delete, where to add some other kind of a picture. You have already done that. Now imagine that your video entire timeline operation is over. After that, what you will do is you may want to add some music. So how will we add? I'll just show this. Very easy, extremely easy way of doing this on VN Editor. And I'll just showcase to you how it is to be done. Okay, 1 second, hold on. Okay. So I'll share my screen once more. Okay, great guys. So here, for example, you are looking at this particular video and suppose imagine that this video is all done and I have added whatever I want to add, it's all done. Now, I want to add some music there. Now you have to click on the last timeline, the topmost timeline where it is written tap to add music. Now tap to add music and then you click, there are 3 options that you will get. One is you can go and add the music. The second is you can add the sound effects. And the third is you can add voiceover. So we'll do all the 3 right now, okay? Now first one is about the music. So music is done. Now in the music, you will find different type of music categories which are given here. Vlog, pop, dynamic, fresh, acoustic, electronic and hip hop. These are the different categories. Inside every category, you have got multiple different type of musics which are already there. Under Vlog, you have got 34 different kind of music which are already uploaded. You can see the number written just below the Vlog. Then if you go to the next one, which is pop, pop has got 41 different type of music here. You go to dynamic, dynamic has got 36 different type of music here. Fresh has got 35 different type of music. Acoustic, just below acoustic, you can see a number 30. So this category has got 30 different type of music. Then you have electronic. Under electronic, you have another 30. And you have hip hop. Under hip hop, you have another 30. So on an average, all of these categories, these are total 7 categories. All the 7 have bare minimum 30 music which is already there, which means 210 options you already have. Beyond that, you may find some other music and bring it to your editing and use it. That's different. But 210 type of, more than 210 are already there. Now, how will you use it? Now, suppose, for example, I go to the Vlog. I want to use any kind of a music. So how will I do that? I'll first click on the music icon and listen to the music. So let me see Chill Vibes Journey, the 5th one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chill Vibes Journey. So I want to listen to this. Okay, I think I had done the audio. I'll just open the volume for everyone.
Close on the camera.
Okay, let's go and add the music once more. And while adding the music, you need to, wherever you want to add the music, if you want your sound to be reflecting, then the music has to be really very, very, very low volume. Okay, so let's see how it is coming on. So this music, it's more like you play the music and then you imagine what kind of a feeling is this music creating. And normally I imagine by closing my eyes, just by listening to the music and understanding what is the feeling which is giving. Now this music, if I have to really put somewhere, I will put when I have a video where maybe it is a winter morning, or it is near the mountains, or maybe where I'm walking alone. This music is giving me that type of a feel. So I will be using this music when I have to show something which is very, I'm tapping into my inner potential. So in those scenarios, maybe such type of a music can go good. Okay. Now let's move on to the next one. So you click on the music, it will take maybe a couple of seconds to get iterated, get ready. And after this is ready, you can watch the particular music. You can listen to the particular music. Okay. Okay, so with this music, I'll tell you how to add the music also. 46% done. We'll just wait for a few little seconds. So Coastal Serenity, let's see how it is coming up and how will I use Coastal Serenity into my video. So we are almost done, 95% done. So this seems to be a little okay type of music. It's a very jolly music. In case I want to use it in my video, you just have to tap on use. Okay, use, that word use. So when you click on the word use, it will automatically add it to your video. But before adding, it will ask you, do you want to have a control on the volume? Do you want 100 volume or you want to go less? Now, if it is a talking video where you are expressing something and your voice, your video has the message, then you keep the volume between 7 to 10, not more than 9 or 10, because it will be louder. Music will be very loud and your voice will not be audible. So you reduce it and bring it to somewhere around 7 or 8. Okay. So that's how you do it. After that, there is a concept called fade in and fade out. So what is fade in and fade out? Fade in means that the music is going to start slow and then take the peak of the music, whatever is the volume. And while it is ending also, it will not end abruptly. It will end slowly, and finally it will completely be zero volume. So entry of the music slow is called fade in, and entry of the and exit of the music slow, that is called fade out. So these are little advanced techniques of the music. So you will see that good editors, they always use fade in and fade out. So you can also do the same thing. Now it will ask you that how long do you want the fade in? So I normally keep it around 5 seconds, that within 5 seconds it should come to the normal voice. So I will go and make it 5 seconds. You could do it maybe 3 seconds, 5 seconds, depending on how you like it. So I'll keep it at 4 seconds. And before how much time, fade out will ask a question, and that is, before how much time of finishing the whole music do you want the sound of the music to start going slow? So I want the sound of the music to start going slow before 5 seconds. So I'll keep my fade out to be 5 seconds. Okay, and I apply it here. So we'll see now how it is appearing. Okay. So I have muted the volume. My original voice, I have muted it. Okay, guys. So this is how you should be adding the music. And before I take you to the sound effect, I generally want to check out with all of you. Are you guys clear on addition of the music? How to add a music, how to control the volume of the music, and also how to increase the music slowly and decrease the music slowly? If yes, can you just write down FIFO clear? Fade in, fade out, clear. Yeah, could you see that? The fade in and the fade out? If that's clear, the concept is clear. You go and try. All of you should try on your own. And yeah, the music was very small. It was like 7 seconds only, so you may not have heard it. But the concept is all about the fade in is entry music going slow, fade out is exit music coming out slow. Very nice. Good. Super awesome. Okay, so music has got 3 concepts. The first is about adding the music, which we just finished. The second is adding sound effects. So what is the sound effect and how do we add the sound effect? So I'll show you the sound effect right now. And let's go to, I'll just share my screen once again. All of this is going to become very handy with all of you. You just have to practice a little bit, that's all. This is not any big technology. No big technology is here. It's just a couple of options given. You have to choose the option. That's all. Okay. Now, guys, let's go into understanding how to add a sound effect. So to add a sound effect, I will go for the second one, the second effect. Now here also there are multiple sound effects which is given. Couple of sound effects related to weather. Couple of sound effects are related to vehicle, ringing, machine, funny, fast switch, cartoon, whatever. Different effects are here. Let me go to weather. And I want some rain effects to be there, for example, okay? Let's see how it is sounding. I'll just go and add the rain and listen to how the rain is. Okay, I stop here to ask all of you. Could you sense the rain sound? How many of you could listen to it? You could listen to the rain sound. No? Could not hear any sound? Okay, fine. Hold on. Let me just quickly share the sound also. Okay, I'll share it once again and check with all of you again. Okay, so we go to VN and we go to this. Okay, now I stop and to check with all of you. Could you listen to the sound now? Yes, audible? Okay, very good, very good. So this is a rain sound, and I want to add this sound into my music, into my video at a particular point. Okay, so how will I do that? To do that, what I'll do is I'll go to that particular point in my video where I want to add the music, to add the sound. I'll go here to the particular point and I'll use it. Now, when I have clicked on the use thing, you see here that there is a rain sound there is a rain bar in a purple color. So purple color band has got created. So I have got two bands inside the music. One is the band of Coastal Serenity, which is my music band. The second is the sound effect band. Now I may want the sound effect to be there at a particular point only, not the whole of the video. So what I'll do is I'll just click on the last arrow portion and pinch it towards the portion I want. I don't want so big also. I just want it to be here. Only from here to here. Let's play the music. Let's play the sound for you to know. Okay, I stop here to check out with all of you. Could you listen to how many of you could listen to the rain sound inside the video itself?